Good morning, children. Myself Jagruti Bhatia from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School English Medium. Today we learn subject English, Unit 8, Poem Books. Now look here. What is this? Already we know that this is a picture of school where we are going for study. This is a picture of our neighborhood. In our neighborhood, bank, post office, garden, zoo, hospital, pharmacy, garage, etc. A school is a place where children study. A library is a place where books, newspaper and magazines are kept. A market is a place where fruits, vegetables, etc. are sold. A grocery store is a place where sugar, grains, etc. are sold. A post office is a place where we can buy stamps, post letters, and send money order and telegrams. A bank is a place where we deposit our money. A garden is a place where we go to play and enjoy. A zoo is a place where animals are kept. A theater is a place where we go to see movies. A stadium is a place where we go to see sports and games. A restaurant is a place where we go to eat. A temple is a place where people go to worship. A hospital is a place where the ill are treated. A pharmacy is a place where medicines are sold. A garage is a place where vehicles are repaired. A petrol pump is a place where petrol is filled in vehicles. A police station is a place where policemen take complaints. A fire station is a place where fire engines are kept. A railway station is a place where train arrived and depart. A bus stop is a place where buses arrived and depart. An airport is a place where aeroplanes take off and land. A kitchen is a place where food is cooked. Now look here, this is a picture of books. We use these books for reading and get education. Education is the best key to success. Education is most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Now look here. Book reading is the best policy to increase our knowledge. So today we learn Unit 8 Poem Books. Books are the plane, the train and the road. They are the destination and the journey. They are home. Books are our best friend. So you have to take company with books. Now look here. This is a picture of library. The library is a place where books, newspaper and magazines are kept in a order and where we are going for reading because they're totally silent and we can learn silently. Now look, this is a picture of librarian. The librarian is work in library. He arrange all the books in order. In library, peace of silence. In our city, so many libraries. The Andrews Library is the world first library at Surat. The Narbal Library is the very famous library in Surat too. In this poem, the library called the boy. Come in, come in, said the library door. I open it wide and saw books glow. Here, the glow means in a great number, a plenty of books. In this library, so many plenty of books are arranged in order. Tall, skinny books up high on the shelves. Little fat books that stood by themselves. Here, skinny means thin and shelf is a plural of shelf, a place for keeping books. Here example of thin books and thick book. There are different kinds of books in library. For example, holy book, story book, picture book, fairy tale book, etc. Here the poet says, I opened one up and sat down to look. The picture told story, what a wonderful look. Here, the meaning of wonderful is delightful. We know that all the children like a picture book because it is very attractive and colorful. In this poem, the library door said, "Come in, come in." The books in a library looked tall, skinny, little, and fat. The child in the poem liked looking at the picture because they told stories. When the child opened the library door, he saw a plenty of books. All books are kept on shelf. Now I hope you can understand this poem very well. Thank you. Bye bye.